Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In this video, we will explore the essentials of risk management. This is crucial for any organization aiming to minimize the impact of potential threats and ensure continuous operations. Our discussion will focus on risk management concepts, risk response and treatment, and the importance of controls, assessment, and continuous improvement. Let's get started. Risk management begins with identifying threats and vulnerabilities. Threats are potential events or actions that can cause harm to an organization, such as natural disasters, cyber attacks, or system failures. Vulnerabilities are weaknesses within the organization that can be exploited by these threats. Identifying these elements is the first step toward building a robust risk management strategy. After identifying threats and vulnerabilities, the next step is risk analysis and assessment. This involves evaluating the potential impact of identified risks and the likelihood of their occurrence. Qualitative risk analysis involves subjectively assessing the impact and likelihood of risks. This often includes ranking risks based on their severity and potential impact. It's a simpler, faster way to prioritize risks, but may lack precision. Quantitative risk analysis, on the other hand, uses numerical methods to estimate the probability and impact of risks. This provides a more precise risk assessment, allowing organizations to make more informed decisions regarding risk management. By understanding and implementing these risk management concepts, organizations can better integrate them into their business continuity planning, ensuring a comprehensive approach to safeguarding their operations. Once risks are assessed, it's time to develop response strategies. There are 4 primary risk response strategies. Accept, acknowledge the risk and decide to take no immediate action, usually because the cost of mitigation exceeds the potential impact. Mitigate, implement measures to reduce the impact or likelihood of the risk. This could include installing security systems, conducting regular audits, or training employees. Transfer, shift the risk to a third party, typically through insurance or outsourcing. Avoid, take actions to eliminate the risk entirely, such as discontinuing a risky process or activity. After selecting the appropriate risk response strategy, organizations need to implement risk treatment plans. This involves allocating resources, assigning responsibilities, and setting timelines to ensure that mitigation measures are effectively executed. Continuous monitoring and reporting are essential for effective risk management. Monitoring involves regularly reviewing risk controls and assessing their effectiveness. Reporting ensures that stakeholders are kept informed about risk levels and the status of mitigation efforts. Regular updates and transparent communication help in making informed decisions and adjustments to the risk management plan. Maturity modeling helps organizations assess the effectiveness of their risk management processes and identify areas for improvement using models like CMMI or CMMC. By evaluating the current state of risk management practices and comparing them against industry standards, organizations can develop a roadmap for enhancing their risk management capabilities. This iterative process ensures that risk management practices evolve and adapt to changing threats and vulnerabilities. Continuous improvement can be done by regularly updating risk management processes based on lessons learned, new threats, and changing business environments. This often involves a plan do check act (PDCA) cycle. In conclusion, effective risk management are essential for minimizing the impact of potential threats and ensuring continuous operations. By understanding and implementing risk management concepts, developing appropriate risk response strategies, and continuously assessing and improving controls, organizations can build a resilient framework to protect their critical functions. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.